Do I know you? Because you look like my next girlfriend.
Kraft macaroni and cheese, cheesy in a bowl.